Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many computer users encounter: the issue of a malfunctioning laptop keyboard. Typing away on your keyboard and suddenly realizing some keys are not working can be frustrating, right? Well, fret not, as we have a solution for you. Let's get into it. The solution to this keyboard problem is to carefully remove the affected keys and clean underneath them. Sometimes dust, dirt, or debris can get trapped under the keys, causing them to malfunction. By gently lifting the key using a flat tool and cleaning the area underneath with a soft brush, you can often resolve the issue. Be sure to do this with caution to avoid causing any damage to the keyboard. Now, if the keys are still not functioning properly after cleaning, you may need to replace the entire keyboard. You can find replacement keyboards online that are compatible with your laptop model. The process of replacing a keyboard involves unscrewing the old keyboard, disconnecting it from the motherboard, and attaching the new keyboard in its place. It's a bit more advanced, but with some patience and attention to detail, it can be done. In summary, dealing with a malfunctioning laptop keyboard can be a frustrating experience, but with the right approach, you can often resolve the issue yourself. Remember to clean under the keys first, and, if necessary, consider replacing the keyboard. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your keyboard horror stories. We'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching.